Let's review how to use the Annuity Payout accordion on the investment page of Toolkit.law. Select the Numbers section, then the Investment page. Click on the Annuity Payout accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you'll enter the principal amount, annual interest rate, and the number of years. You can then select the annuity type and payout frequency. Once the values are entered, click the equals icon to instantly calculate the annuity payout. Use the clear option to reset inputs and compare different scenarios, or share the results to support client discussions or internal planning. This accordion is particularly useful for attorneys handling structured settlements, family law financial arrangements, or retirement planning matters. By modeling different interest rates or payout schedules, legal professionals can better illustrate long-term financial outcomes to clients in a transparent and understandable way. The ability to quickly share results also supports internal collaboration, client consultations, and documentation workflows. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Annuity Payout accordion.